Amidst all the changes and paradigm shifts the world has undergone, these tech startups from West Bengal have made the state proud in 2021. The West Bengal government and NASSCOM are extremely proud of these visionaries who have made their mark. Let's unveil the innovations these tech enthusiasts have made that has taken the state to newer horizons of technology. Data Sutram, a startup formed by a group of JU engineering passouts, Rajit Bhattacharya, Asik Paul and Ankit Das, has now grown into a team of professionals catering various verticals of business. It's an AI-based location intelligence company with a cloud-based B2B data marketplace product that helps businesses leverage location-based insight from over 250 data sources and makes business decisions faster and more efficiently. With 6+ crore merchant data pan-India, Data Sutram's SME acquisition product can be used for rapid acquisition. Data Sutram operates in a data-as-a-service model and caters mainly to retail, e-commerce and BFSI sectors. Data Sutram this year raised undisclosed funding from IIFL Group after raising funds from 100x VC and Indian Angel Network earlier. Dil Se Will. Who doesn't want to protect their legacy and pass on their wealth to the legal heirs? The COVID-19 pandemic has taught us that life is uncertain, but you can ensure a better life for your successors if you plan and secure your wealth and assets. Rajkumar Lakhotia and Namita Lakhotia founded Dil Se Will. Dil Se Will has created awareness in the masses about the importance of will making, even for young adults. Regularly featured on the Economic Times this year, Dil Se Will's bouquet of services includes seamless online will creation. Dil Se Will simplifies the process of making will, and one can have the will done by following 4 simple steps: register, pay, provide details, and your will is ready. Think Again Lab. A tech genius, visionary, and innovation holic, Arijit Hazra is the mastermind behind Think Again Lab, an award-winning research and development firm offering custom robot, automation and IoT device development to enterprises, software or hardware product companies and startups. Think Again Lab team created Annapurna, a restaurant butler robot that was featured in the 20th November 21 episode of Dadagiri, hosted by world-famous cricketer and former India team captain Saurav Ganguly.
দাদাগিরির মঞ্চে অরিজিতের তৈরি বাংলার প্রথম রোবট অন্নপূর্ণা।
হ্যালো দাদা, কেমন আছো?
আমি ভালো আছি, তুমি কেমন আছো?
এখানে এসে খুব ভালো লাগছে।
আরে ওয়ান্ডারফুল।
অন্নপূর্ণাকে দাদার গুগলি।
বিশাল বড় চেহারা কিন্তু সারাক্ষণ রেস্ট নেয়। কে?
এভারেস্ট।
এভারেস্ট। ওয়েল ডান। তোমার আমাকে ভালো লাগছে?
তোমাকে দেখে কার না ভালো লাগে?
Think Again Lab is all passionate to inculcate technology and innovation. Now Bengal has its own robot serving food and ready for the world. Super Procure. Founded by Varun Bayani, Anup Agarwal and Manisha Sharaf, Super Procure is a leading logistics and supply chain management solutions provider to manufacturing and infra companies. Their industry-recognized products such as spot freight negotiation, trip management system, contract management, dispatch planning, and freight accounting are solving key industry problems and improving the quality of lives of people associated with logistics and supply chain management. Super Procure has reduced the overall logistics spend of its customers by at least 15% by reducing the freight cost, boosting employee productivity, fastening decision-making cycles and improving transparency across multiple layers. They have a pan-India customer base with a good mix of enterprise and SME or MSME customers who use the cutting-edge platform on a daily basis. With Super Procure, managing logistics and supply chain, maintaining dispatch records within India will now be super easy. India Mart in April 2021 announced 22% stake in Super Procure. These techies will surely take West Bengal to the front seat of technology and make the state immensely proud in the years to come. The West Bengal government and NASSCOM heartily felicitate these young startups for their bright future, wishing them growth and success.